cane ass nigga.
You looking like a fried Snickers bar.
Nigga looking like old fucking watered down Busta Rhymes.
I
Nigga,
know you didn't.
oh, 98 fucking leader of the new school ass nigga.
I know this motherfucking Jam Master J little cousin looking ass nigga. They ain't talking to me.
Nigga, I know fucking T.I.'s big toe looking ass nigga over here.
I know this motherfucker looking like what I just wiped on my tissue earlier today looking ass nigga.
This old fucking drop 3 in the morning fucking drunk turd ass nigga.
Hey, I know this Rick Ross little Shane having little nigga.
Nigga, I know why the fuck am I sitting over here talking to Chingy's little nephew?
Why the fuck? Why in the fuck? Why do I gotta be Chingy's nephew? Why you gotta be Bubby uncle? You look old, boy. Look over the hill.
It's not gonna happen. You look like 50 weight cap.
You didn't. Oh, this nigga didn't look like Rod Digger's armpit.
Oh,
that must
damn,
be hair.
fucking Remy Ma overbite looking ass.
Damn, Busta Rhymes cousin. Can't Busta Rhymes. Oh, no, that wasn't the mouth. Hey, keep it clean, guys. Keep it clean.
Damn, this old motherfucking Fat Joe, nappy ass, blonde beard having ass.
I know. This is a good match. The first one was a massacre, ladies and gentlemen.
Look like a Jazzy Faye production, nigga.
Nigga, you look like the Little Caesars logo, nigga.
Look like a G4L song, nigga.
You look like a Colin Park beat.
Nigga, you look like fucking little ass motherfucking Ice Cube.
You look
Dickies,
like
nigga.
from a Sparks twin cousin,
Nigga,
nigga.
you look like fucking old MC8 nappy ass cuff on fucking Men's Society, nigga. You look like fucking old ass speaker wire.
You look like a sauteed. Hey, you look like a sauteed payday, nigga.
You look like fucking
Get blown back to back.
like a shit bar, nigga.
Ah, nigga, I know you didn't. Looking like hold up.
Nigga, you old
Hold
fucking.
up. Let me think. Wait a minute. Did Rockwell take a gunshot? Oh no.
So teenage Michael Irvin looking motherfucker.
Oh, I know you didn't. Ben Wallace's sister.
Like Eddie Murphy transvestite affair and shit, nigga.
Yeah, you was the transvestite that he did it to.
Nigga, you look like Detroit.
Man, old cocoa bean head evidently. Oh, lima bean head evidently. I'm going back to the old school rags.
Nigga, you look like you like the smell of Lil Jon's dreadlocks. Nigga, like P Diddy open mouth, nigga.
You look like 1992 E40. Timer. Look at that.
Oh, young MC looking ass nigga.
I know you
Fucking
didn't.
tone low career.
Shit. Nigga look like KRS 1/2. KRS -1. I'll take that one.
Mix-a-lot's fucking fade, nigga.
I know you didn't. MC Sham. Damn. Sugar Hill in the gang. It's just a gang used to back up dance. Sugar Hill. Sugar Hill. Hop. That was you. You thought of that shit.
Like Snoop Dogg fucking curl, nigga.
Oh
Yeah.
You look like Bruce.
Ain't no coming. Nigga,
Look like Bruce's boo-boo.
like Bruce's arm fucking fat, nigga.
Oh, damn. Fake ass Ike Turner with that. Oh,
like an external wound.
Bam Bam Bigelow looking ass nigga. Hold up.
You look like fucking Lawrence Taylor's flat top, nigga.
Look like a fake ass Incredible Hulk, nigga. So Hulk looking ass nigga. Not so incredible. Nigga don't rip out his shirt, he just get ugly.
Oh my god.
Mike, you better tell him something.
Oh shit, nigga, you look like fucking Marcus's work shirt.
Yeah, you look like Slave and Slave's team.
Oh, that's fucked up.
Shoot up.
Yeah.
You look like that loogie that bitch spit on Flavor of Love, nigga.
Damn. I don't know about that. You look like that chicken she cooked.
Damn.
Matter of fact, you look like you've been in the microwave.
Nigga, damn. You look half eaten, nigga.
Damn, you look half shitty. Oh, prairie dog face in his mouth. It's prairie dog and can't quite get out looking at him.
You old Coaties from Cooley High adopted ass nigga.
Damn.
Oh, no you didn't. Well, your face looked like oops. Face looked like oops, I did it again. Oh, skirt, boom, I'm alright, bow looking at him.
You trying to hang with Mr. Cooper ass.
Oh, no you didn't. Sinbad. Little cousin, Sin Good looking at him. Sin Mild.
Oh, fake ass Eddie Winslow with Flo.
I know you didn't. And if you don't look like Carl, I don't know who you look like. Steve!
Nigga, you look like,
go home!
like Uncle Phil's cul-de-sac.
Oh, damn. You look like bad. Damn, you look like JJ from Good Times Live.
You like Sherman. Like Sherman. You like George.
Your breath is dynamite!
Like Sherman Hemsley's hairline.
Oh, damn. Hold up.
George Jefferson strolling on him.
Damn.
George Jefferson receding hairline.
Wheezy. Looking like Pops. Oh, Froggy over here. Looking like the Black Raven. Got kicked off. Pterodactyl. Motherfucking Kenny the Jet Smith looking ass nigga.
Oh, Family Jet Jackson's fake
Oh,
ass.
Charles Barkley's Sir Charles over here.
Oh, fake ass Oli Polynice looking ass.
Oh, no, you didn't. Colin Powell, little cousin. Shit pal. Oh, shit over here.
Popeye Jones' little nephew.
Yeah, Popeye the Sailor Man looking ass nigga. Damn, hold up.
Fat Albert Spro?
Alright, man, I see this one is not going to end.
Yeah, I would say it's not.
Oh, Fraggle Rock looking at him. Oh, Care Bear staring this one. Oh, Eureka Castle looking at him.